I didn't write this part down, but this is from IP 8.1. I'll put this up here, IP 8.1. And then this is problem number 9. Okay. We're looking at a line segment that has given endpoints. So the endpoints are A and B, 1, 1, and 3, 1. We're going to use the scale factor to write the ordered pair after dilation. So the scale factor is given here as K. It is very important that we recognize that that's the letter that we use for scale factor. And then we also need to make sure that we do know the rule. So the rule to find this is to take any given coordinate. Oh, this one looks like it's running out of ink. Okay, so x, y. And then to get the new points on the x and on the y, we're just going to use our k value. Oh, where'd my green one go? Oh, here it is. As a multiplier on each of those guys. So k times whatever the x value, k times whatever the y value is. So now to get a prime, to get the new a, and this is the notation I use for the new a, is that little prime, I'm going to do my k value, which is 2. I'm going to do 2 times 1, because my original a value is 1. And then for my y value, it's also 1. K value is 2. So it's going to be 2 times 1. So my a prime is 2, 2. And then I'm going to basically follow that same rule with my b prime. I'll do the same thing. It's going to be 2 times the x value, which was 3. So 2 times 3 for my x value. And then again, 2 times 1 there. So my b prime really becomes 2 times 3, which is 6. And 2 times 1, which is 2. And if I was to try to give you a little sketch of this, which I think I can kind of do down here if I set up a little coordinate grid. It didn't ask us to do this, but just so you can kind of see what's going on. Here, I'll set up a little coordinate grid with an x and a y. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Everything should fit on here now. My original point was A1, 1, B3, 1. So if I graph those, 1, 1 would be right here. That's my A. And then 3, 1 would be my B. 1, 2, 3. And there it is right here, so that's my B. I can go ahead and label that. That's A, that's B, and it makes this little segment right here. Now if I graph my new points, my A prime was 2, 2, so that's right about here. That's A prime, A prime. And then my B prime should be 6, 2. So that's going to be over here. There's 5, there's 6. That is right about there. That's B prime. And I'm going to go ahead and just actually connect these with a highlighter since it's kind of going through B there. So that is my new segment. Now a couple things you might notice. The length has doubled, which is a big deal because our scale factor was 2. If you look at AB, right, that was 2 units long. So AB was 2. A prime, B prime is now from 2 to 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is now 4 units long. And the other thing you might notice is that it is kind of growing out from the origin. Like if I connect those with a little ray, and then I connect my B and my B prime, you can see how this is growing out from that center point, which did make sense because we are dilating with respect to the origin. We're going to always be dilating with respect to 0, 0. At least for now. It does get a little bit more complicated, and it always looks like an owl to me. As we dilate away from that, it can still be done, but for our purposes right now, we're going to dilate with respect to the origin. So that was really more work than we needed to do. Really, our final answer is that A prime is at 2, 2, B prime is at 6, 2, but I just wanted you to get a little visual for what's going on there. Hope that's helpful. Message me anytime with questions, and I'll see you in class.